Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with ease and efficiency.
How are you?
I'm fabulous.
What can I help you with?
I need to make a withdrawal.
How much are you withdrawing today?
I need $300.
What account would you like to take this money from?
Take it from my checking account.
Here's your $300.
Thank you so much.
Will you be needing anything else?
That's it for today.
Hello, sir. So, you are back?
Yes, hello again. I would like to know the exact difference between dividend deposit and dividend participated deposit.
That's pretty easy to explain. With the deposit, the interest is fixed, but the dividend of each policy will be transferred automatically into your bank account by the end of each year. The longer the term, the higher the dividend you earn. This is because it is calculated at the compound interest rate.
And I can purchase that here?
Yes. And if you already have a current account with us, the insurance premium can be paid through it, which saves all of us a lot of hassle.
During the last 2 years, there has been a great increase in goods stolen abroad.
If they steal the entire package, that would be theft. So they don't do that. Generally, thieves open the case and take part of the contents out. Then fill the case so that the gross weight will be the same.
If the goods are received in apparent good order and condition, the steamship company doesn't have liability for pilferage. How do we protect ourselves?
The insurance policy protects us.
Is it true that products of high value such as watches, jewels and luxury clothing items are often subject to pilferage?
It's absolutely true in the United States that losses from pilferage have been limited to high-valued goods. We must study more about packing.
Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
I'd like to open an account.
Certainly, sir. Would you like to open a time deposit savings account or a checking account?
Actually, I'd like to open one of each, if that's possible.
No problem, sir. What sort of time deposit account would you like to open?
What are my choices?
The minimum time period is 3 months. The longer the period, the higher the interest rate. If you withdraw your money before time is up, there are penalties.
Well, that was an interesting documentary.
For sure. I didn't really understand some of the technical jargon they used in the film when they talked about Social Security in the U.S.
Like what?
Well, they mentioned how people put away money in something called a 401 Kelvins.
Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but a 401k is a type of retirement plan that allows employees to save and invest for their own retirement. Through a 401k, you can authorize your employer to deduct a certain amount of money from your paycheck and invest it in the plan. Everyone tries to contribute as much as possible so that when you retire, you can rest peacefully on your nest egg.
That's interesting and logical, I guess. In my country, we also have to contribute to a government-run retirement fund. But most people don't really trust it, so they just invest in properties or things like that.
That seems a bit unstable, don't you think?
Yeah. But corrupt governments in the past have created distrust among banks and financial institutions. So now people prefer to have money hidden in a jar or a piggy bank.
I've been thinking of doing that lately. I don't want some banker to run off with my money. How can I help you?
I want to open another account.
What kind would you like to open?
I would like to open a savings account.
Do you already have an account with us?
I have another savings account open already.
Do you want to transfer money from that account?
I would like to do that.
How much?
I only want to transfer $100.
It'll only take me a minute to complete your transaction.
Great. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Hello. Is there anything I can do for you?
Yes, please. I'd like to open a savings account. Would you please give me some advice?
Certainly. I'll be very happy to help you. Usually we offer current or fixed accounts for individuals.
What's the difference between the two?
If you open a fixed account, the interest rate is higher.
Then how about the current account?
You may withdraw the money at any time. You just need to present your deposit book.
Thank you for your help. I think I'll open a current account.
Okay. Do you have your ID card on you?
Yes.
Good. Everything is done. Here is your deposit book and ID card.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure.
This is Lincoln Bank, Consumer Credit Department. How can I help you?
Hello. I'm calling to find out how I apply for a car loan.
We offer a personal automobile consumer loan. The application process is pretty straightforward. I trust you have enough funds to cover the 20% down payment?
Yes, I do. It's ready and waiting in my account.
The next step is for us to recommend a dealer to you, who are already contracted to us, so.
Could I just stop you there? Sorry to interrupt, but I have already been to your appointed dealer and selected the car I want.
That will certainly cut down the processing time. We can move on to the next step. Do you have the purchase price?
Yes, it's 110,000 rib. So, with the down payment done, I will need to borrow 70,000 rib.
What we need you to do next is to come into the branch with a correctly filled-in application form, ID card, proof of residency, proof of income, the agreement from the agent and of course the 20% down payment.
Yes, I have everything here. Okay, I'll come in and see you later today. Maybe I could have my new car as early as next week. How exciting!
I'm interested in all kinds of your products, but this time I would like to order some fireworks and mosquito coil incense. Please quote us CIF Rangoon.
Please let us know the quantity required so that we can work out the premium and freight charges.
I'm going to place a trial order for 1,000 units of a dozen fireworks and 500 cartons of mosquito coil incense.
All right, here are our FOB price lists. All the prices are subject to our final confirmation.
Your price is reasonable, but I wonder if you would give us a discount. You know, for the products like yours, we usually get 2% or 3% discount from European suppliers.
We usually offer on a net basis only. Many of our clients have been doing very well on this quoted price.
Discounts will more or less encourage us to make every effort to push sales of your products.
The quantity you ordered is much smaller than those of others. If you can manage to boost it a bit, we'll consider giving you a better discount.
As far as a trial order is concerned, the quantity is by no means small. And generally speaking, we like to profit from a trial order. I hope you'll be able to meet our requirements.
Well, as this is the first deal between us, we agree to give you an 1% discount as a special encouragement.
1%? That's too low a rate. Could you see your way to increase it to 2%?
I'm afraid we have really made a great concession, and could not go any further.
It seems this is the only proposal for me to accept. I'll come again tomorrow to discuss it in detail.
All right, see you tomorrow.
Well, we've finally put the finishing touches on the training programs for next year. Here's a report showing the projected costs as well as the expected return on investment.
Return on investment? How can you have a return on this kind of investment? Can you really calculate the value of these training programs?
Sure. It's not a real figure, of course. It's just an estimate based on rehiring costs, and the potential lost revenue that results from incompetence.
Wow. I'm impressed. So, what's in the cards for future training? Will it be in-house or off-site?
A little of both. We'll have a few day-long sessions for things like business writing skills and software training. Those are available to everyone. We also have a variety of other programs.
Yes, I see that here. Continuing education for the IT department, a time management course for accounting, and team building for sales. Anything planned for HR?
A holiday, I hope. No, really, we are looking into some courses on motivational techniques. We'll add them to the list when we choose a lecturer. Put on the helmet, please.
Do we need to put on the jackets too?
You'd better, to protect your clothes. Now please watch your step.
Thank you. Is the production line fully automated?
Well, not fully automated.
I see. How do you control the quality?
All products have to go through 5 checks in the whole manufacturing process.
What's the monthly output?
1,000 units per month now. But we'll be making 1,200 units beginning with October.
What's your usual percentage of rejects?
About 2% in normal operations.
That's wonderful. Is that where the finished products come off?
Yes. Shall we take a break now? Good afternoon. What can I help you with today?
I have a time deposit here and I'd like to get the money now.
The maturity date isn't for another 10 weeks. Are you aware of that?
Yes, I know, but I need the money urgently for a family emergency, you see. I know I should apply in writing if I wish to withdraw, but I'm afraid there just isn't time.
The regulations state that the interest is paid at the rate of a current deposit, so unfortunately you will lose some interest.
Well, it can't be helped. I really must have that money. Thank you.
Excuse me, something is wrong with my bank card. Can you help me?
Yes. What's the problem?
Just a mistake with my name. It should be issued as Stephen, but the card is under the name, Stephen.
Oh, I am very sorry about that. It's our fault. I will arrange someone to correct it immediately.
Okay, no problem. To err is human.
Anyway, we apologize for the inconvenience we have brought you. Please just wait for a moment, and it will be fixed.
Thank you very much. EBA, Client Services Department. Shelley speaking. How can I help?
Client services? Oh, hello. I need your help.
Certainly, that's what we're here for. What can I help you with?
I'm a tourist in this city and unfortunately I've lost my card.
Calm down, sir. Is that an EBA debit or credit card?
Credit card. The international credit card. I can't find it anywhere.
Just calm down, sir. Okay, when do you think you lost it?
I'm not 100% sure. Around an hour ago, I guess. I had it in the hotel lobby bar. I used it to charge something to my room. I obviously didn't pick it up again.
That's fine, sir. Let me just take some details FRCMU and we can help you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Good afternoon. You look a little stuck. Can I help?
The thing is, I've got all of this information here, all of these leaflets, but I can't make head nor tail of them.
I see. What is it exactly that you are interested in?
I'm not sure which would be better for me. Buying some insurance or putting my money in a savings deposit.
Well, that all depends on how much you want to invest.
I was thinking of around 10,000 rib.
That's a nice round figure to deal with. Okay, if you were to buy this insurance policy, your yearly fixed income from it would be 94.35 rib.
And for the savings deposit?
For the savings deposit you could actually get more. You see, in time deposit, the interest rate is 1.58% after the 20% interest tax. So, technically you could get more than a third more.
Wow, a third more? Very good.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials.